very tragic news on a massive humanitarian crisis that currently unfolds in Gaza. Israel carries out its military strikes. Israeli forces have conducted extensive airstrikes across Gaza, and in the last 24 hours, it seems like nearly 93 people have died in the Israeli airstrikes. So, as for now, we know that the strikes have hit overnight. It's continued all the way to Friday today. The last 24 hours have been brutal, targeting areas around Deir al-Balah and Khan Yunis. Health officials say that nearly 66 bodies have been taken to Indonesian hospital, another 16 to Nasser hospital. This is a significant airstrike that targeted the Gaza European hospital in Khan Yunis. That was aiming to eliminate Hamas leader Mohammed Sinwar, but we understand that nearly 28 people died with that one attack on the hospital alone. It's very tragic to see how scores of people in Gaza are now trying to, pack up lock, stock and barrel and move out of Gaza. Absolutely tragic. This attack comes just as former US President Donald Trump wraps up his Middle East visit. So doesn't seem like any talks on any kind of truce or ceasefire has had any effect with regards to Israel and Gaza at this point. Now, remember, it was Trump who met with the leaders in the Gulf, but did not stop in Israel. There was no effort by Donald Trump to see if he can interfere and intervene in this very war, if I could very well call this war, that Israel and Gaza are having. Largely, it is now from the Israel side that the pounding continues. There have been hopes that there could be some intervention and renewed humanitarian aid for Gaza, or an actual ceasefire that Israel will live up to at this point. It doesn't seem like that has come through. Meanwhile, Israeli blockade of the Gaza Strip is entering its third month. There is no way for people to enter the Gaza Strip, and that's been blocked since the war broke out. UN agencies have reported that nearly 66,000 children in Gaza are suffering from severe malnutrition due to the ongoing blockade and lack of humanitarian aid.